Hey, velkommen tilbage til DanishTube og endnu en fed video, hvor vi skal lære lidt dansk. Hey, and welcome back to another cool video on DanishTube where we're gonna learn a bit of Danish. And today we have some expressions, we have some words with new meanings. That means that these words already existed, but there's been some new meanings added to the dictionary. Let's check them out. DanishTube. De første ord er, the first word is Bundfrossen. Bundfrossen. So basically the bottom frozen, it refers to the original meaning, like the sea or a fjord. If it's frozen over, it's frozen to the bottom. But the new meaning basically just means freezing cold. So when you are freezing your ass off, så kan det være, at du bliver bundfrossen. For eksempel kunne det være, at du har nogle bundfrosne fødder.
Prøv at se mine sokker.
Bundfrosne sokker. Nej, bundfrosne fødder. Frozen feet. They're frozen to the bottom. Anyway, next one is kind of, I was going to say the opposite, but no, it's not. Number 2, Grydeklar. Grydeklar. This means ready for the pan. So it's very literal when you're talking about food. Maybe you're chopping something up, you're getting it ready. Okay, nu er den grydeklar. You can put it into the pan. Gryden. But now you can use this when you are, according to the dictionary, træt eller udkørt og parat til at gå i seng for at sove. Tired and exhausted and ready to go to bed to sleep. So, det har været en lang dag. Jeg er grydeklar. Godnat. I really like that word. Grydeklar. Brug den. Next one is en våd drøm. En våd drøm. A wet dream. Of course, it means a wet dream in the way that you are thinking about it when you wake up and you're like, oh, what happened? Sticky. This new definition is basically you use it about a very strong wish. Et meget stærkt ønske. Noget, according to the dictionary, noget man virkelig håber vil ske uformelt. For eksempel, jeg har en våd drøm om at eje en rød sportsbil. Jeg har en våd drøm om at eje en rød sportsbil. I have a wet dream about owning a sports car. The next one, Selvantændelse. Selvantændelse. So this is like spontaneous combustion, when you just something just suddenly boom sets fire to itself. Det er lidt af et voldsomt ord. It's a bit of a violent word. So it can also mean that when you react very emotional to something, you react in your emotions. But the new meaning is that, at du måske sætter ild til dig selv. You set yourself on fire. Typisk som protest mod nogen eller noget. Typically as a protest against something. Moving swiftly on. Last one. I'm not going to say it's the best to last because Grydeklar was the best. But this one is called at rulle ud. To roll out. At rulle ud. I feel like this one is maybe from English. So it basically means to for example, when you have a product and you're rolling it out, you're rolling out the product. If you implement a new product, so it could be, I don't know, the new Air Jordans. Jordans nye basketsko ruller ud i næste uge. Jordans nye basketsko ruller ud i næste uge. To roll out. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. We had Bundfrossen, or de frosne fødder, and then we had Grydeklar. Når du er så træt, du skal i gryden. Then we had en våd drøm, a wet dream, but not in the sticky way, just when you have a strong desire for something. Then we had Selvantændelse, to set yourself on fire in protest. Don't try that at home. And to roll out at rulle ud. Sådan. 5 lidt sjove betydninger. Tak fordi I så med. Like, abonner, skriv i kommentarfeltet, og vi ses i den næste video. Hej hej.
DanishTube.